As a starting state to get us going, we've got a player that can move around on input and several projectiles that are aimed at the player. So the key to this setup is that both the arrow and our player are using Time.deltaTime for frame independent movement. Time.deltaTime is the time since the last frame was rendered. Back inside Unity, I'll just create a pauser script and attach it to the camera. And in this script, I'll listen for the escape key being pressed and toggle pause on and off. I'll store the save state in a bool at the top of the class and say if we're paused, I'm going to call resume, and if not, we're going to pause the game. Then we'll just flick the pause value to be the opposite of what it was before. To pause the game, I'm going to set a value called Time.timeScale to be 0, and to unpause it, I'm going to set that back to 1. So the delta time from our other classes is going to be multiplied by timescale before being returned to us. So if we were giving it a value of 0, our Time.deltaTime is going to return 0. So our arrow isn't going to move at all. And the same for our player, he's not going to move at all if this Time.deltaTime is returning 0. Inversely, a timescale of 1 means that Time.deltaTime is going to be multiplied by 1, which just return delta time. So our game will run at a normal speed. And all our pause script is doing is just toggling between the two. If we just click play to try that out, click the escape button, everything's paused, I can't move, click escape again, and we're good to go. And that's the easiest method to pause and resume a game. There's a link to the Github repo for this tutorial in the description if you'd like to play with this project yourself. In the next video in the series, we'll start to look at UI that we can add into this little game. Thanks for watching.